So guys, this is Divy Shah and welcome to yet another video of No More. So guys, today I am showing you how to use the Python and how to make your custom build or your first level assistant for your PC so that through the command you can run your PC software. So guys, all tips and tricks regarding Python is here, so let's get started. Guys, for Python you have to go in the cloud shell or command prompt or your OS shell, and here as you can see we are on the normal C users, so we have to simply use pip install Python 3.8, or you can install 3.7, 3.9. So I have already installed, so it shows error. So let's check my Python version. So Python version. So here is my Python version 3.8.3, so it's okay. Then you have to install pip install pyttsx3. it's a driver for we can use it some after later. So see, already satisfied though, so I already installed it. So simply guys, that's all. You have to minimize that, and after that you have to open your editor. So I have already my editor here, your text editor simply. So here you have to write let's try print welcome to No More. So simply save. Here you can save as my.py or whatever extension is .py, and I already replaced it. So let's open it, and let's open for that. So guys, for when you are seeing this file, so you have to mention that your drive is a desktop, so save on the desktop, so it can easy for open you. Simply write cd desktop, so you can transfer from desktop, and here you can write python menu or my.py. So welcome to No More, here is the type. So guys, it's simple. So simply write here. So simply I define one variable x is equals to 3, and here print x, simply control s, and again python my.py. Oh yeah, so print is not defined, so p it's a capital, so that's why it shows error. So see the number they type here. So it's simple, you can define here variables too. So for that making your assistant, you have to simple import OS, and import pyttsx3, that's drive we have installed earlier. So simply boot that. So you can here open like os.system, simply notepad, and you can here write print notepad is opening, and also you can control C, so you can here pytt sx3 dot say, control V. So you can see here control S. So again I am opening this. So what's here? Notepad. Okay, pytt sx3 कुछ problem है. So simply I'll check this. Okay, so here you can write speak. Speak is the command for here, not a say. So that's all. So again,
Notepad is opening.
so as you can guys listen, again I'll try python.mypy.
Notepad is opening.
So here is that. So with that you can just make that type of assistant. So I already make, so it's a 125 line code that I make for my, so you can see here. So simply I'll change the voice of that person. For that I'll using some engines and some basic user interface like you are using that, and I also add here some words, so you can also use it with words and with number 2. So first I make a menu, set 1 to Microsoft Word /t. Here /t is a tab key and /n is an enter key. So if you want a new line, then type /n, and if you want to use tab, then type /t. So /t to Microsoft PowerPoint and /n/t to Microsoft Excel. So I'll give all the numbers to my all programs. So first import OS and pytt sx3, don't forget that. After that they can all run. So here I'll use while loop, so it will not end without your permission. So while loop is continuous looping it, and here chat with me with your requirements. So if I input 1, so that goes to 1. 1 is the, so what is 1? 1 is the Microsoft Word. So you can see here in the Word, see I'll give you that. If you type Word, then open this Word. If you type MS Word, then also open this MS Word, and if you type 1, then also it's, or you can type in any like capital or small, any typing, because I use, see here I use this p.upper, so it can automatically transfer it in uppercase. If you write in lowercase, that's also considered here. If you type Google, then it's open the Google Chrome search, web browser, Chrome browser, phone number, it's always opening Google Chrome. Or it's a if else or elif statement, else if you can say like that. So see here, and if I'll type nothing or not or don't, then try again. So if they find in my line don't, then it's speak try again. I'll show its example 2. And the last else is invalid, please try again. If I type something among that, it's not that, so it's showing type something invalid or it's invalid. So let's show that. So first of all cd python, because I'll save this in the python folder. So here python test, actually I forgot that name, menu 24.py.
Hello world. Welcome to my tools. Chat with me with your requirements.
So as you can see, if I type 0, then for exit, 2 for Microsoft PowerPoint, let's show you guys. So 9,
Opening. Notepad.
it's like Google Assistant. You can give command and it's open. So type editor.
Opening. Notepad.
So it's opening Notepad. And let's try Word.
Opening. Microsoft Word.
See. So let's try something else. So let's try for player.
Opening. VLC player.
So it's open VLC player. So let's try something unique. Hello.
Here low. Is invalid, please try again.
Hello.
Hello. Is invalid, please try again.
So don't open Illustrator.
Type again.
So guys, as you can see, I use don't, so it shows type again. Don't open MSH.
Type again.
See, so type MSH.
Opening. Microsoft Edge.
See, it's converting all my message into the uppercase in every line, as you can see. So it's versatile, as I type exit here.
Exiting.
So it's simply exiting. So that's all guys, this is my assistant. If you want to guys this code, I'll give you the link in the description box of my LinkedIn page. From that you can find the code, and also guys make your code and make some unique, make your personal Kelsey, talking Kelsey like that. So guys, that's all for today. This is Divy Shah signing off. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe.